Welcome back on this Thursday morning. We are starting off with some breezy conditions. Winter weather advisories are going to remain in effect through 7 o'clock this evening for Ontonagon and northern Houghton counties, as we will have lake effect snow coupled with the wind causing some blowing snow, especially out over to the northwest. Right now on radar, snow really not here just yet, mainly over the eastern parts of Lake Superior. There is this big trough that's pivoting across the area and the upper levels of the atmosphere, and that's what's bringing in the colder air for us. But we have a stronger dip in the jet stream that comes next week. Early on, that trough will dig in even more so, and that brings in the coldest air of the season. But for today, that wind will be out of the west throughout the morning into about midday. Then it shifts and becomes more northwesterly, and speeds will range around 15 to 20 miles per hour. Winds will gust around 40 miles per hour into the Keweenaw throughout the morning, but elsewhere will range with gusts around 25 to about 30 miles per hour in the central and eastern counties, extending through this afternoon. That's why I did set a moderate risk for snow and winds today. Again, winds will likely gust in excess of 30 miles per hour, and the snow will trend along the west and northwest wind belts. So blowing snow will be an issue for commuting hours over in the western UP and in the eastern UP this morning, later on in the morning that is, and then later on this afternoon. Here's your hour by hour. 10 o'clock in the morning, it looks like a band of snow will kind of shift to the west. Elsewhere, hey, if you're in the central, if you're in the south, you're not going to really pick up on the snow today at all. Mostly cloudy skies with some breezy conditions throughout the day if you're over in those locations. Then by the afternoon, with the shift in the winds, just a very slight shift in the wind, we'll see those bands moving into the eastern counties, Alger, northern Schoolcraft, and Luce counties this afternoon and evening, and eventually tapering off as we head into early Friday morning. Not a whole lot in the way of snowfall amount. We will range right around 1 to 3 inches, but some of the higher trade areas could push near 5 inches to near 6 inches of snow. But again, it's on the lower end of the spectrum for snowfall amounts with this event. Temperatures today, upper 20s to the west and then low to mid 30s in the central and eastern counties. Tomorrow we will see our daytime highs be a little bit milder, upper 30s, right around 40 degrees for Saturday. Sunday, some rain and snow mix moves in for the afternoon. A blast of cold air and some strong winds on Monday.